My Husqvarna 54 inches lawn tractor will not turn over. Battery is fully charged.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Husqvarna tractor? How old is it?
It is 18 months old and was cleaned last fall.
How long has this been going on with your Husqvarna tractor? What have you tried so far?
Sat for winter and went out to start it for spring, but nothing. Battery is fully charged.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. You will notice an automated offer for a phone call. Please keep in mind that this offer is only optional and is not always needed. If you prefer to chat, rather than talk on the phone, please disregard this phone call offer. Thanks.
I would rather chat.
Thanks for your response. The phone call is not needed. I would like to confirm something. After you turn your ignition switch key to start position, do you hear a click or do you hear no sound at all?
I have the button disengaged and hear nothing.
Have you checked to see if your fuse is blown?
No, have not. I just checked to make sure lights worked after battery was charged, and they are good and bright.
If your lights are bright, this indicates that your fuse is okay. Do you have a 12-volt test light or a multimeter? First, we need to determine if you are getting voltage to your ignition switch. When you have a chance, remove the wiring connector from your ignition switch and check each wire for voltage. I will also need the model numbers for your mower, in order to check for a wiring diagram.
Okay, can do that. I at first thought maybe the safety switch in the seat. Okay, give me a minute and we'll look it up.
With a wiring diagram, I can determine if your start circuit goes through your seat switch.
YTH24V54 Husqvarna.
Thank you.
Will I get a reply on the start circuit?
I am back with you. Have you checked to see if you are getting voltage to your ignition switch?
I will do that tomorrow and let you know.
Sounds good. Thanks.
Found the problem: the safety switch on the brake was not making full contact. So cleaned it up and now it is working fine. Thank you for your help.
Awesome. You are very welcome. Thanks for the update. I do hope all continues to go well for you. Take care.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.